In the next life, it is said that our every wish will be fulfilled. Can we imagine these wishes to be similar to our present wishes, or will our wishes take on a new shape which we cannot imagine?
The second part of your question is right. It's impossible that your present wishes can be fulfilled. Even if you are a pious person, you may wish of something or some person to be yours, but in the hereafter you may never think of that person at all. And moreover, the hereafter is so different from the life here, it's impossible to describe your wishes. The best wish one can make is to be Allah's favorite, and the second to be close to Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How these wishes will be fulfilled, Allah knows best. So I cannot answer it more than that. Thank you.